Great morning, welcome back to another episode of Fox40 Foodies. I'm Chef Aubrey. Today we'll be making a perfect meatloaf. In this, I already have 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of our Italian sausage, have 1 bag of our mixed trio, which is gonna be your celery, onions, green peppers. Also 2 packs of our meatloaf season that'll be found in the season area. Got it all mixed up with 1 egg, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, mix it all up to form a meatloaf here, and also put that in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. Pulled it out the oven, now it's time to prepare the sauce. Let's go. Have 1 cup of our A1 steak sauce, our steak sauce, 1 tablespoon of our Tabasco sauce, and 2 cups of ketchup. So we're gonna mix this in well together to make our sauce for our meatloaf. Now it's time to prepare our garlic mashed potatoes. What we're gonna do on this just a little different. All we're doing is follow the instructions on the back of the bag. It calls for 4 cups of water, but we're gonna do 2 cups of water, 2 cups of milk to make this a perfect dish. Once the milk and water comes to a boil or gets very hot, we're just gonna add this bag of our potatoes and stir till they're ready. All right, once that comes to a boil, we add our potatoes. We give it a quick stir until it thickens. Go ahead and cut your heat off. And once it gets thickened, our potatoes are already ready. Now it's time to pull our meatloaf and everything should be done. And here we go, our meatloaf. Then we're gonna slice the meatloaf. It still has a good firm fit for the loaf. We already plated our mashed potatoes. And we're gonna go right on top with a slice of our meatloaf. And here we go, our meatloaf over mashed potatoes. Enjoy. You can find this recipe and a full list of ingredients on fox40jackson.com.